Good morning, friends. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. It's Heather at Bush Puppy Farm, and it is July 31st. We are in late summer, and it's time for some garden cleanup. So I'm done with my most pressing farm chores this week. The kids came out and helped me string trim and do some weeding and stuff like that. And I've done all my harvesting for the week so far. But today I want to focus here in the back garden and the cottage garden. It is a mess. It's late in the summer. Around here, a lot of things just die. They look awful. So it's time to come in. I'm going to clean up as much as I can, give things a super haircut that might give me a second flush, and just kind of in general tidy things up. The herb tower is overflowing. I need to do some harvesting there. Just a whole bunch of random stuff to make things look a little bit better than as ragged as they look right now. I waited a little too long because now a lot of this is in the sun, but the breeze is nice and cool, so hopefully I can get this done without getting too hot. All right, let's get started. this doesn't look hugely better, but believe it or not, it is. Trimmed off the seed heads of a lot of stuff, especially the Dusty Miller, and that bed there got a big trimming, which it really needed. So, looking better. Now, I have to take care of houseplants. They're in dire need. So when we had the floors redone, I had to bring all the houseplants out here and keep them under this porch. But in the early morning, they get sun. And houseplants going from no sun, or, just the sun you get in a window, to a lot of sun is damaging. So there's a lot of sunburn, but like this one is okay. It's just growing out of its pot. But you can see all the sunburn on these leaves. So these all need to be spruced up, and I have plants that I need to put back into the house. Just don't know where I'm going to do that yet. And then the ones that did go into the house are still struggling to recuperate. So you can see all the burns on this. And it's been over a week, about 2 weeks since they've been back in. And they're still, they're doing okay, but they went through a lot. So it might be 6 months or more before they really bounce back. Same thing over here. Now these guys were more used to getting a lot of sun because they're in this south-facing window, but just still not doing great. This one, I don't know if it's going to recover. This one, a lot of sunburn, but some of the new growth is looking okay. This got overwatered when the pet sitter was here, unfortunately. And same with this guy, so I think this is a lost cause. And then this, I just need to cut all the babies off of it because they're draining the ability for this plant to get itself back together. And it's like looking like it's rotting in here in the middle. So I don't know. I need to work on those. But no time for that today. You just saw me make sourdough for the first time in a couple of months. Since May, when we didn't have a kitchen, I haven't been making sourdough, and so my starter has been sitting in the refrigerator, and I had to spend the last 4 or 5 days rejuvenating it, feeding it every day, doing discard, feeding it every day. So I think I've got it bubbly enough, making my first loaf of sourdough for the first time in many, many months, since the spring. So I'm excited about that. We'll be doing lots of stretching and folding. I will attach the recipe I use down below. So if you're interested, it's a cobbling together of a lot of different people's recipes, but this is the one that works for me. So I stick to it like glue. I'm not good enough at sourdough yet to just wing it and, try new things. So do what we know. Okay, guys, today is Aiden's 17th birthday, and we have a lot going on this afternoon. So I'm going to wrap this up, get it edited, and get it up for you. I know it's kind of a not much happening video, but some days is like that. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you have a wonderful time in your garden, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.